advise shortly if we're going to be executing a rescue, over.
On radio, this is DRR3.
Copy, thank you.
Mayday, DRR3, this is Whangarei Maritime. Go ahead, over.
Yeah, Roger, we are heading in that general direction also.
Romeo, understood, thank you.
Off to
Sam is on the hook.
have you logged it? I have 3, yeah.
Clear to go to the door?
Hey, Tim.
Go to the door. Coming off safety.
Well,
So it's just putting a double stripe on going around the feet at the moment. Out of the water. Steady there. 1 ton, 2nd ton.
we need to find out whether he's the only one on board.
Coming to the aircraft. Safety stop at the aircraft. Safety is going on. Bringing them to the door. Your eyes inside. Just going to position to the seat. Yeah. Okay, mate. One person?
DRR3,
Yeah, Roger,
Hey, Phil.
No, he's on his own, mate.
On his own.
Okay, I'm coming off. The hook's coming off. We're both inside. Everyone's inside. Got to stow the hook. Then I'll close the door.
We'll just slowly move on.
Clear out the night slowly, home.
They're right here.